Clarkstown International Collision was founded in 1992. We offer auto repair, painting, collision repair, aluminum repair, and other services in Nanuet, New York. Customer satisfaction is our first priority is more than just lip service. It is practiced daily with every client and on every vehicle that is repaired. With more than 30 years of auto body and insurance adjusting experience, we have successfully combined a state-of-the-art collision shop, a beautifully designed office space, and the highest levels of customer service to deliver total satisfaction to each client. Call us today for more information.